this one. I'm not gonna, guys, if you, oh yeah, I forgot, these are all the ones we can get. This one and this one and this one and this one. The one I want from this collection is either this one or this one or this one, but I'm hoping for the secret. Let's see what we get. You should never look at the card, guys. It always messes it up. Wait, I saw a hanger there. Ah! I didn't see it. Let's see what we have in this ginormous bag. Alright. Oh my goodness! It's the one I wanted! Alright, let's see what her name is. We got this one. She is so fluffy. Oh my god! I love her! She's my favourite. Look at the detail. She's got even a little tail, little Christmas hat. Her name is Juice Puppy. That is really cool, isn't it? She's going to be my favourite